Hello YouTube universe, and this is Captain David Codes. We are gonna do our first program, and we're gonna do something called Project Setup, Visual Studio Code Basics, code hello world, run the program, and use the AI to fix bugs. And the AI, it's not cheating, it's just like helping you out. Now, we're gonna go to File Explorer, go to Document. Okay, we're gonna select the first one, which is a folder. Click that. And we're gonna name that Python tutorial. Okay, now we're gonna get out of File Explorer, go to Visual Studio Code, click Open or Enter. Click this. Okay, now we're at Visual Studio Code. This is where you can search source control, run and debug, and extensions. But for now, we're just gonna use this one. Now it says no folder open, but click Open Folder. Go to Documents. Click Python Tutorial. Select the folder. And here you are. Now we're gonna create a new file. And we're gonna call it 01_hello world. .py. Now there's gonna be, do you want to install the recommended Python extension? You click install. It's installing, and now it's installed. It depends how long it will take depending on your internet. Now we're gonna click print, no capital, print, open parentheses, hello world. Now we're gonna print hello world. This is the button you want to click in order to run it. As you can see, it will say name error, which will be under this. Name error. Name hello world is not defined. Now, this is where we use AI, and this is a turnable, by the way, if you didn't know. We get out of here, go to Google Chrome, double click it, type gemini.com.google.com, and now we're just gonna now we're gonna ask, what is wrong with my Python code? Now Control V, and it will show you what is wrong. Now number 2, the intended meaning most likely printing a string. You have to use quotes in single or double. This tells the string is literal, not a variable name. So we forgot the quotes. We get out of Chrome / Gemini, go to Visual Studio Code, and now we just add the quotes. Now, if you want to make it pretty, add 2. And add 1 to the other side. Click the play button yet again. And if it says hello world, you just did your first code. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.